I'm Jill, and this is the Mannville Indoor Vintage Flea Market. I had the privilege of having Dylan from Dillybat Productions and attend, so I'm thrilled to have you here, Dylan.
It's awesome. Well, give us a rundown of this cool camper.
This is a 1962 Globetrotter Airstream. I named him Globy. We name most of our Airstreams. I converted it, took it out of the 60s, brought it into the 21st century. I took the propane out of it. I had a wood stove installed. It's just not installed for this video. As you can see, we're inside. So I took the propane out, hooked up to 12s to solar, and then of course my 30 amp plug with the trailer. And this is my bank of batteries, one of my solar panels, and it just hooks up over into here. And then this is my two AGM batteries, 110 pounds each. They are not light. Yeah, you don't want to be hauling those around.
No doubt.
Okay, so that's the battery bank.
Okay.
Let's go inside. So of course you start with your floors. Start there. Oh, and security, gotta always have security right by the door. Yeah, this is the 19-foot hitch to bumper Airstream. So my cab is probably about 17 feet. Yeah, took it out of the 60s into the 21st century. Still kept the original wood. Got the toolbox and took the wheels off, bolted it to the floor. Yeah, for the good cabinet. This is my solar panel water pump, 12-volt water pump. What my battery reads. USB, 12 volts, and then solar charge controller. For water, I didn't go with hot water tank. So yeah, fresh water, gray water. Can't see the water pump back in there, but oh, and then I got the 12 volt Boondocking RV refrigerator. This is the 12 volt plug for it, so your plug isn't always falling out. So this is the Boondocking RV 12 compressor 12 volt fridge. So yeah, closet space. I went with the portable sink, the big Kahuna, so inside or outside. I just got them to take my bathroom sink out. Curtains are hung up with thumbtacks. They held. Yeah, pretty simple. I kept it pretty original.
It looks good. I like it.
Yeah, thanks.
This is something that would be awesome to go with on the road for a weekend or a couple-week vacation.
Yeah, I drive the 2020 Ford Ranger. It pulls us like a champ.
Oh, of course it is.
And when the wood stove is in here, it hooks up right in here, then double goes through this pipe. So have it double walled. Yeah. Never know when you're gonna run out of water, so it's always good to have backup. Running with a wood stove, gotta have fire extinguisher. One of my favorite places in British Columbia, On my YouTube channel, 2000 Talon, you see the hikes that me and Jackie went on in Field, British Columbia. Not without an Airstream air freshener.
Yeah, you gotta have that, 100%.
Yeah.
I love it.